Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create photo of you meeting your childhood self with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you how we can create this photo. First of all guys, you can open up Gemini. You can open the Gemini app or you can visit gemini.google.com and then I'm going to create new chat. Okay, and here you need to choose Nano Banana feature. Make sure that you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then we're going to upload our photo. We're going to upload two photos, guys. The first photo is the photo of you now, and then the second one is your childhood photo. Alright, and then you can add this prompt. And for the prompt, I'm going to put it on the description, okay? And then just submit the prompt and also the photos, and the AI will generate a photo for you. Alright, and this is the result. And if you want to download it, just click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!